What's up, ComSci community? I'm back with day number 11 of my 100 Days of Code challenge. And this is my cat Beyonce. She helped me out today. Today I completed another module in Team Treehouse about responsive designs, and there's a few really cool things that I learned today in regards to responsive design. The first thing that I did was learn how to reset the CSS so that there's not any abnormalities when you're viewing the web page on various browsers. And this is done using the normalize.css file. I also learned how to wrap content in divs so that I have better control over the layout of the sections. For example, if I want to take everything between the header and the footer and keep it within a certain width, I can wrap that content in a div, and it's going to be much easier for me to manage that. I also learned a few good techniques for keeping the header and the footer full width, as well as how to make the footer stick to the bottom of the page so that there's no awkward gap below the footer at the end of a page. Alright, well that wraps it up for day number 11. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a good day.